Hello, developers! In today's video, we're diving into Flutter to create a stunning animation using the hero widget. We'll be creating a hero animation to demonstrate a smooth transition between two screens. This is great for situations like navigating from a list view to a detail view, commonly seen in apps like e-commerce or social media. If you haven't already, make sure you have Flutter installed. Open up your favorite code editor, and let's get started. Create a new Flutter project. Modify a main.dart to set up two screens, home screen and detail screen. This is the basic boilerplate. The Material app widget will manage navigation between our screens. Now let's implement the home screen. Add a grid view with tappable items. The gridview.builder dynamically creates a grid of tappable images. The hero widget wraps each image, giving it a unique tag. This tag is crucial for linking animations between screens. The gesture detector listens for taps and navigates to the detail screen while passing the tag. Now let's implement the detail screen. Create a screen to display the selected image. This screen accepts the image tag as a parameter to identify which hero animation to play. The hero widget here uses the same tag as in home screen. Flutter handles the transition automatically. We need to add images in the assets. Place 4 sample images in the assets/images directory. Update the pubspec.yaml file, and run the app. In the app, on the home screen, when you tap an image in the grid, Flutter animates its transition into the detail screen. The transition looks fluid and professional, giving a great user experience. That's it. We created a hero animation to smoothly transition images between two screens. It's simple but extremely effective. Try this with different widgets or apply it to a real-world app you're building, and let me know your experience in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with other developers, and subscribe for more tutorials on Flutter and beyond.